Wearing SPF is very important to protect our skin from the damaging UVA and UVB rays, which age us and cause damage to our collagen, elastin, and can even cause skin cancer, a life-threatening condition. But what is not talked about a lot these days is sunscreen for your lips, and it is very important, and sometimes putting your sunscreen that you're using all over your face doesn't get on your lips, or people don't put it on your lips. And I was definitely one of those people. I usually just put Aquaphor on my lips. I didn't really care about sunscreen. Whatever sunscreen I was putting on my face, I'd put on my lips, but that was it. I never like reapplied to my lips. So I decided to try out a specific lip sunscreen. If you're new here, my name is Zach. I primarily focus on personal care like skincare and sunscreen. However, I am recently branching out into some other topics, and I'm open to suggestions from my very kind YouTube family. So if you're interested in something else, let me know down below. Without further ado, let's get into this lip SPF. I was in CVS and I saw it was actually in the body care section. I was looking at some body moisturizers. There was, Nivea had a section of lip balms. Something that I don't really care about in general is lip balms, especially from Nivea, a brand known to put fragrance in every single product that they have. But I ended up looking up at their lip care anyways, and I noticed that they had this one, blue, which had an SPF of 15, which is not a lot, but I did peel back the drug facts label. As you can see, this is a chemical sunscreen. It does have avobenzone 2.5%. That is the ingredient that is going to protect us from UVA rays, the rays that age us, and destroy collagen, a very important and pretty much the main reason that I wear sunscreen. The other filters, octinoxate 6% and octocrylene 1.8%, those are UVB protective, which is the rays that burn us and cause skin cancer, so it is very important to protect against that as well. Even though it's only an SPF of 15, I was really impressed that it did have 2.5% of avobenzone. I can't prove anywhere, I'm not a chemist, I don't have any test data on this product, but I feel like that's pretty good, because there are some sunscreens that are SPF 50 or 100 that have 3% avobenzone, which is not much more than this 2.5%. So I feel like we're getting some really good UVA protection, even if the UVB is only 15. Because remember, the SPF number is only based on UVB protection in the US. There's no claims about UVA unless the brand decides to put that on, which they usually don't. And even if they do, it's not being FDA cleared. So kind of they can put whatever they want. Other ingredients in this product that I really liked are a lot of the oils. This does have rapeseed oil, beeswax, which is a really great ingredient, although if you are vegan, you're not going to want that. It does have castor seed oil, it does have shea butter, glycerin, jojoba seed oil, avocado oil, aloe vera, all really hydrating, nourishing ingredients. And you'd think that this is a slippery product because of all those oils. It's really not. Very nourishing. It also does have fragrance in it, which you guys know I don't really like fragrance, but I don't mind it on my lips. I haven't really found a different option for such a good price. This was like $2. I can't find a fragrance-free lip balm, you know, for $2 that I can pick up. Someone come out with one or partner with me and we'll do it together. Yeah, it doesn't really have like a fragrance in it. It just smells like sunscreen, so I'm not sure what fragrance that they were going for. And as you can see, you do get a good amount of product in this. You do get 0.17 fluid ounces of product, which I think is pretty decent. And yeah, it just smells kind of like coconut and sunscreen. Let's put some on. Goes on nice. It's a little bit sticky, so if you do have long hair, I think it would get stuck in your lips, like a lip gloss would. Doesn't really dry down, but it gives a nice glow onto the lips, and again, it is protecting you, so that's great. Still, I would recommend whatever face sunscreen you're using, try to put it on your lips if you can, and then, you know, put this over it if you want to. This isn't a end-all, need-all type of product. I wouldn't exit this video, run out to the store and buy this by any means, but it's just something that I came across, that I picked up, that I thought, hey, maybe my YouTube family is interested in this. And again, it was $2, you guys. $2. $2. That's pretty much all I have to say. Super short, super simple video. But while I do have you guys, I do want to say thank you so much. While I'm filming today, I don't have 1,000 subscribers, but I'm very hopeful and very confident that by the time this video goes up, which is probably in a month, I film in advance, likely be at 1,000. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for making it possible. I wouldn't be here without you. There's been a lot of time throughout my journey, which I've been filming on YouTube for about 15 months at this point, and have not been monetized, but it was something that I still loved, and I loved communicating and talking with you guys in the comments. They've really helped me out, whether you're giving your own feedback, you're saying thank you, anything. It just makes me feel like what I'm doing has a purpose and that I need to continue to do it in order to help people, because my ultimate goal when I started this channel was to give reviews of different products that aren't being talked about enough, which is affordable and effective skincare. I'm not up spending $100 on a face cream promoting it. I'm not about getting sponsored by a random company to tell everyone you should go buy this $300 face cream. Like, I'm telling you guys to go buy a $2 lip balm if you want some extra protection. I'm telling you guys to go buy Japanese sunscreens because they're so effective, they go on beautifully, they're gonna protect you, and they're affordable. I made this channel because I felt like that wasn't being accomplished, and I think it is now. I think there's a lot of other people that are doing it too, which is great. I love to see that. Yeah, ultimately I just wanted to say thanks for all your support, and I am branching out a little bit. This video here is a sunscreen topic, but I branched out a little bit into different categories, and I appreciate the support and loyalty to my channel too, and for all those that have been following me for so long. Hopefully you've seen the improvements along the way. I know I have. When I see somebody watching, or if I go back and watch one of my old videos, I'm like cringing at me in the video and my editing skills and everything. So hopefully a year from now I'm cringing at this video because I've gotten even more better, but who knows, who knows. But anyways, I just want to say thank you guys, and ultimately I'm really grateful for my small but very loyal and kind-hearted subscriber fan base. So thank you guys so much. I do get some messages on Instagram. That's totally fine. I appreciate them, and I love to connect and talk with you guys. I probably will not follow you back on Instagram, but that doesn't mean that I don't like you or anything like that. It's just kind of disconnecting a little bit my personal life from, I guess, my work life or my YouTube life. Yeah, anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Y'all already know, or if you don't, but I don't know why you're still here. If it's the first time you're watching me, you probably dipped out by now. But anyways, I post Mondays and Fridays. I'll see you then. Bye.